Well, welcome back to the Steve Robb Show. Today, I'm going to share my experience on YouTube with the equipment that I've been using. I've had the good fortune of mentoring a couple of people on YouTube, and they've asked me, you know, Steve, what should I get for a camera? What should I get for a microphone? What should I get for software? And for lighting. And guys, I'm going to share a tip that happened to me, it's got to be months and months ago. I did a video about my buddy Wyatt One Able, and guys, I want to share something with you. I've got two lights on the left and the right here, and one of them busted, and I went and got one of these curly efficient lights. And guys, I'll put a link down below for that vid if you're just curious, you want to see what happened. But the real light busted out, and I put this one in, and that was a big mistake. The camera freaked right out, and it went all dark, and it kept on, you know, hunting back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. I don't know, I couldn't figure out what happened. And I looked at it, and guys, this was the fault. Now, I did replace it with an LED light right over there, and I'll show you the lighting that I use. And guys, this has just a regular LED light in it, because the other bulb I couldn't find yet, and so far it seemed to be working good. But I'll show you the lighting I got. Guys, this is what I got, is one of these things, and it's on a tripod, and I got two of them. And of course, if I can get this untangled, of course I bought two of them off of Amazon, and they've been working great. And for me, I'm not a professional, so everything I'm going to talk about here is non-professional, because I've been on YouTube over 2 years now, and I'm still a beginner, I'm still learning, I still make mistakes, and I just thought I'd share what I use. Guys, this is the camera I use. This here, the Canon Vixia, and I think it's like a, yeah, HFR 600. And guys, the reason why I like this camera is because I can open it up here, and I can take the microphone cord and plug it into the external jack. A lot of cameras don't have that. This is, for me, a beginner's camera. I like it. I've got two. The one I'm looking in right now, and I got this one. And guys, so far it's been terrific. I haven't had a problem except mistakes that I made myself, like the light bulb deal. It works great. You see all my vids up north and that kind of stuff. I've been using this microphone here for a long time. This is nowhere near a professional microphone, but for me, guys, I'm not a professional. And how much money do you want to invest in making YouTube videos is entirely up to you. I watch a lot of people on YouTube, and they've got the best, you know, camera gear and everything, and it does make a difference, a huge difference. But for me, look at the stuff that I'm doing on my YouTube channel. I'm in the garage talking, or I'm building something, or up at the camp, you know, showing what I do. But for me, it's worked out fine, and I haven't really had anybody say any complaints, you know, except the vid where I busted the bulb and put the wrong one in there. Now, what do I use for movie software? Like, guys, I started off doing this here with the Sony. This is the Sony Movie Studio Platinum 12, and it was fantastic. And of course, I got it on Amazon too. I'll put a link down below if you're interested in any of these things. But then I moved on to the 13, and the only difference was it had an advanced version. And guys, it was just like night and day. I find that this is a very easy software. I mean, I paid, I think it was like 50 bucks for this. And guys, I haven't had any problems with it, no glitches. So far, it's been great, and you know, that's just some of the software that I use. And what else could I say? I would say, you know, the best thing to do and the best advice that I got when I first started on YouTube was don't put any videos public first. Just get your camera, try it all out, get the rendering all going, figure out all the software, how it all works, and make some videos for yourself first and see how they look. And that's the main thing, because it's amazing how when you make mistakes and you put it on YouTube, everybody knows about it, right? So it's best to try and learn the trade before you actually start uploading. And that's what I thought I'd bring you today, and exactly what I use. And that's pretty well it, guys. Just thought I'd share that. And you know, when I got this, the first one I bought, the first Canon I got on from Costco. Guys, I bought it off of Amazon, the second one, about 6 months later, because I wanted to be able to do multiple shots. And you know, and for me, that's worked out pretty good. The only thing is, when I bought it off of Amazon, I got a bag with it, I got an SD card, I got some cables with it. It would come like in a kit for like $40 less than I paid at my Costco. So you got to pretty well shop around for all this kind of stuff. And you know, just have fun doing YouTube. That's all I can say. And this is just the equipment that I use, and I thought I'd share it with you. So thanks for joining in today. If you haven't seen this channel before, you're welcome to subscribe. Come back again, guys. Let's have some more fun. Bye now.